Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Wow, already stumbling on my words. Today's video is my winter FabFitFun unboxing. FabFitFun is $49.99 every season, winter, summer, spring, and fall. And this is actually one of my favorite boxes to get. So it comes packaged like this. A little hard to see the whole box because it's a huge box. So, and then inside is one of these HelloFresh discount cards that I'm pretty sure come in every single FabFitFun box. And I keep saying I'm going to try it, and I've yet to do it. And then it comes with this magazine that's got all of your products in it that you received in your box, as well as some other articles and some tips on how to use them and whatnot, which comes in handy sometimes. You do get to customize 3 products out of this box. So the first thing is this is the Row & Co. Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner Set. These are actually pretty decent sized bottles. They're 8.5 fluid ounces, so they're pretty good. And I got short hair, so it doesn't take much. And these retail for $64. I think that is probably the most expensive shampoo and conditioner set I've ever seen. Yeah, I spent like $12 on mine. $64. My hair better look amazing for $64. The next thing is also something that I was able to customize as well. And this is the Bandu Bluetooth shower speaker. And I saw this and really liked it because, so it's cute. It's pink, which is my favorite color. But it actually sections to like the shower. And then you just hook your phone or something up to it and you can listen to music. So I was excited to get to choose that. And that retails for $30, which I don't think is too terribly bad, actually, for one of those. Okay, next thing is from Karuna. I don't know. I'm probably butchering that name, and I do apologize. But this is the Face for All Face Eye Mask Sets. It comes with 14 different face masks and eye masks in them. So I'm super excited to try those. Oh, and then it also comes with a code for 25% off your next order on their website. So if I like them, I might have to check them out. And these are $42. I'm glad there's 16 in here for $42 because that's a lot of money. Okay. Next we have, this is the Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery, which I used to have this palette. So it does not have it mirrored, but it's just got pretty neutral, warm tones in it. I'm not going to swatch this one because I am actually going to pass it to somebody else because I did used to have this and I liked it. I don't really wear a lot of these neutral brown colors anymore, so I didn't reach for it very much. So I'm going to just go ahead and pass that on. And that is $38. The next thing is from Ahava, which I've gotten some lotions and stuff from them in some of my other boxes, and I really liked it. This is the Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts, which is $16, and it's 11 ounces. So that's actually a pretty good size. Let's see. Next, we have the, again, I have no idea how to pronounce this word either. This is the Kikuchi, I don't know how to pronounce that. And this is a Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I don't know if it's $40 cool, but we'll give it a try. Cool. It's definitely got lavender. If you do not like strong lavender smell, you're probably not going to like this. I apologize. My dogs are playing. So this is $39.95. That's a lot of money for a face wash or a body wash for me, anyways. Even if I liked it, I'm not sure I paid $40 for it. Then we have the, stop it, you guys, the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangular. This is for your hair, and this retails for $23. For a detangular? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good, though. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, so it actually looks like it is a heat protectant as well. So that is not that bad. I might use that just for the heat protectant and try it out. And then the last thing that we have is, this is the original makeup eraser. I have never had one of these things, but I hear amazing things about them. They are $20, and I could just never bring myself to spend $20 on a piece of cloth to take my makeup off. But I hear amazing things about it. Oh, it's really soft. I need a blanket like this. That is really soft. So you're supposed to only have to put water on it, and it's supposed to take off all of your makeup really, really easily. And I believe you can wash it as well, and I think you're supposed to be able to get a lot of use out of it. So I don't know. I'll try it and see if maybe I would consider spending $20 on a piece of cloth. Maybe if it's as good as everybody says it is. So I'm super excited to have that. So the total value for my box, I'll tell you the value of everything, and then I did get some add-ons, and I will show you what I got for add-ons. All right. Bandit, I do apologize. Let's see. So $272.95. That's a pretty good value. Because remember, this box is only $50. So to spend $50 and get a $270 value in products is pretty good. So as usual, I will do my review video after I use everything in the box, like I normally do, with the exception of, like I said, the eyeshadow palette, because I am going to pass that on to somebody else. All right. Hopefully that did not just completely mess up my mic. Okay. And add-ons. So I got 5 different add-ons. So the first one that I got is from Murad. It's the Murad Hydrating Toner. I used Murad's exfoliator, and I really liked it. So I wanted to give this a try. And it doesn't have a super strong smell, which is good because some of toners can be a little overpowering with their smell. Oops. All right. Then we have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Resurfacing Micro Exfoliant. And I just started doing a routine using some of the other Juice Beauty brands or things, so which is why I chose this as an add-on. So that's what it looks like. And then you can definitely feel the little beads in it that exfoliate. And it doesn't seem, even without washing it off, it doesn't seem like it's super greasy. Ew. Well, that was kind of gross. I think it's safe to say it probably works because it just took a bunch of dead skin off that part of my hand. That was really gross. Okay. Then we got, this is from HipDot, and this is the Zion, the Zion eyeshadow palette. It does come with a mirror, and then these are the shades, which are really pretty. And I got this because I had never actually tried anything by that brand. So those are the swatches of them, these three right here. They swatch pretty good. They're definitely shimmery and shiny. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at swatches. All right, so I got that palette. And then the next two things is actually the same thing, but it's from Spongel, and it's the Blue Iris Cleanse, Exfoliate, Massage, and Nourish Infused Buffers. And it says it's got 30 plus uses. And it comes with 2 of these. I will tell you, if you cut these down like in half or in a quarter, they last a lot longer and you can get a lot more use out of them. But I have actually really come to really like these things. So I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I know it was a pretty good deal. So of course, I had to get 2. So that is everything that came in the winter FabFitFun box. As usual, I will do a review video of everything in the products, or everything in the box. Don't forget, we do have our 1,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. I will link that video in the description box down below. Be sure to enter that. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.